Hey, welcome back, guys. This is a Midgetoy, and it's all original M-I-D-G-E toy. Midgetoy, made in Rockford, Illinois. Made in the USA. And it is all green. It's a convertible Cadillac that has a lot of style to it. I really like the style to it. The front end, the back, the convertible. It's very, very simple. No steering wheel, nothing. And here's the wheels to it. And you can see there's, when the car is put together, there's no way to see the wheels at all. There's the door. You can see the door. I have to sand this down very lightly. This is the original paint because I don't want to lose the door while sanding it. Let's go and strip the paint. So guys, I use Rock Miracle paint and varnish remover. This is the semi-paste one. If you're under 14 years of age, have a parent help you. And here's the car. Always a fun time. And it shouldn't take long for this paint to come off this car because it was played with well. After I get the paint off, I'm gonna hit a little bit with steel wool, and I'll be right back. Okay, so there's the caddy. I didn't do any sanding to it because I don't want to remove the little details that the car has. And I'm going to use this primer, Rust-Oleum primer, filler primer. Okay, so this is a forest green, and it's the first coat after priming. I didn't have a spray can of green paint, and these are acrylic paints that I have in my workbench. And this is the forest green I was using. So I'm gonna hit this with a second coat and see how it dries. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put this green, a lighter green on top of it, but we'll see. Well, that's the second coat, guys. This painting with the brush is new to me. I'll let it dry, and we'll see how it turns out. So here you have a hand-painted 1940s Midgetoy, American-made in Rockford, Illinois. There's no steering wheel in this car. It's as basic as you can get. I didn't have any green spray paint, so I decided to do it in brushing. So I brushed it on. I brushed on the silver for the bumpers and around the convertible trim and the windshield. The paint I used was Mondo, M-O-N-D-O, acrylic paints. The funny thing about this car, it does roll. You can't see the tires. I like the way they made it. That's just a little bit of the tire showing on the bottom. It's such a simple car. The builder, there it is in the bottom, Midgetoy, Rockford, Illinois. They didn't even put spacing between the wheels. The wheels glide back and forth. They were very easy to snap on, snap off. Here's the rear. The front end, my painted green Cadillac. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave your comments below. If you haven't subscribed, please do. It's a quick restoration of an old toy, which I love. Let me show you the paint I used. If you're interested, that's Mondo Artist Acrylic Paints. 24 colors, cost me $9.99. I had it for a while, just never used it. Thanks for watching, guys, and God bless. Mike Espo.